Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the steps to create a Remembrance event post on Facebook. Whether you're commemorating a loved one or marking a significant moment, this feature allows you to share meaningful memories with your community. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once it's loaded, look for the text box at the top of your feed that says, "What's on your mind?" Tap on it to begin creating your post. Next, scroll down until you see the Life Events section. This is where you can highlight special moments in your life or honor someone's memory. Tap on Life Events to proceed. Within the Life Events menu, locate and select the option labeled Remembrance. This category is specifically designed for commemorating individuals or events that hold a special place in your heart. Now, fill in all the necessary details for your Remembrance post. You can include a title, date, description, and even add photos or tag people if you'd like. Take your time to ensure everything is just right. When you've completed entering the details, tap Next to move forward. Here, you'll have the chance to review your post and make any final adjustments before sharing it. Finally, tap Post. Your Remembrance event will now be shared with your selected audience, allowing friends and family to join you in honoring this special memory. And that's it. You've successfully created a Remembrance event post on Facebook. This simple yet heartfelt feature is a wonderful way to keep memories alive and share them with those who matter most. Thank you for tuning in.